That was 5.5.
And we can reproduce those results to within 0.05. And here are these people saying it's 12.6, it's rubbish.
You know, they don't know how to do the analysis. Now, this happens regularly.
And I'm quite sure that if we took any of these data that the Environmental Protection Agency rely on, that in fact, you know, all you've got to do is wait till court cases come up, because then we could really strangle them by just producing things like this and saying, well, this kind of thing happens all the time, you can't really prove anything. And I'm sure that unless these kind of checks were being made on a regular basis throughout the whole country, so that everyone, not only once, but on a continuing basis, everyone could keep checks on the fact that people were getting similar results, that the results would be meaningless. So I think you're absolutely right. But like these tests, you know, are very easy to do, and as far as I know, they're not being done, and they should be done. Help us a lot.
Another question? I'd like the members of New Sigma Rho to stay. Let's thank our speaker.